Alright guys, so we are at our new stay right now. Yeah, Margaritaville was one of those things. What I did like though, the ability to get a souvenir cup, because I've never been there before, so it's great getting that. Well, not the one in Ocha, I don't recall ever going to one, but yeah. And they gave us like tote bags or whatever the case is, so that was cool. But the drinks wise, as I said before, it's not really my thing. Maybe it's your cup of tea. For me it's a bit too sweet. But yeah, we're at our new stay. I'll show you guys. I think it's cute. I like it. So it's a treehouse. That's what it is. When I try to book places, I like booking unique and affordable places that I've never experienced before. That's just my vibe personally. So yeah, I'll try to go up there and then give you guys a tour. What did you opt for, to take out the stuff immediately?
I guess.
Okay, alright, let's do that. Okay, there's a stair as well. I don't know, but there's one blocking there, so yeah. So there's a staircase, but there's what you call it, a container that's blocking it pretty much. So you have to walk all the way around here to get to the staircase. What I like, it's a log wood type of thing, so that's really good. Babes, just leave the suitcase down there so I bring it up. Yeah. Alright. I've never been in a tree house before, guys. Oh, here's a bit narrow. Alright. So even though it's a tree house, it has some modern stuff to it. There's a passcode, which is cool.
This is really cute.
So I did put in my the code correctly, but he did say it's a sliding door. So I was trying to pull, but it's a sliding door, which is cool. It's adds to space wise. All right, guys, welcome back to Stuck in an Island. We're stuck with you guys, and we're always smiling. I know, it's funny.
It's so cute, guys. I can't find the light switch.
So she's trying to find a light switch. As I said, I'll give you the full room tour on the last video. So let's start. So as you guys saw in the last video, that it's a tree house. So it's a tree house. It's a log cabin tree house made with really rustic pieces of wood from Jamaica, and of course the log appeal here, which I like because these are very strong and it's beautiful. These are probably plastic. No, they're actually wood. I think yeah, it's wood. Yeah, we haven't even settled in, so you guys are going to be going through it with me. As I said in the last video, it's a sliding door, so that's kind of cool. Save space, as I said.
Guys, let's cut to the chase. The bathroom is my favorite. But it's so cute.
So she's trying to find a light. So I did find a switch here, which
that's
I think
a fan.
that's a fan.
Yeah,
there's a little TV, so we can get to watching some later on, maybe. I don't know. I'm joking. There's a computer desk. Usually when I travel, I always try to search for a place that has a computer desk, which can help me with editing, because editing is important. The last spot that we were at, it's possible there, but yeah. Computer desk again here, or for just eating. He did say that the Wi-Fi was down before he left, and it does kind of seem that way. There's a red thing. I hope it's not down. But yeah, there's Wi-Fi here, which is good. 2 spots here to eat. There's a kitchenette, like Judah was saying. We will be trying to get street food, to be quite honest. You found it, like?
Yes.
Finally.
It's kind of hidden, but
kind of hidden.
Yeah, you know my blind. Yeah.
So it's a little kitchenette. Maybe not the most effective, but there is something there if you need to. There's a fridge that's already on, so that's cool. And there's some ice cubes in it. So that's cool, and yeah, Judah put some drinks in there and some Topo Loco. And there's a burner stove, which is good, so we have that. Microwave is there, and the important things. And then there's a bed, which I prefer, because the last place I don't normally, when we go out with Donna and Davine, like on birthday trips, we normally get like the second room, and normally the second room in bigger spots is normally gonna give you like a double bed. Because how they do it is they want to make sure that the mom and dad, Mama Bear and Papa Bear, have a big bed, and then you have the option of a split bed for kids if you have that. So for this, we always get it. That's why this year I was trying to get somewhere that was close to them, but was a bit about a bit different, but that's fine. So here we have this bed, which is, I believe it's a queen. Don't fault me, guys, I'm not that versed with beds, but yeah, it's a nice sized bed, enough for all the positions that you need to be done here, which is good. I like that you have the wooden accents here, so it's a wooden accent to everything, so that's really cool. But this feels IKEA-ish, so yeah. Oh, there's a paper towel here, babes, so that's cool. Serving tray type of thing. Is this folded up? That would be so cool. No, it's not. Mirror there.
Is this tea?
And this place that we are at, it has a tennis court, and there's a pool, which I know of so far. Yeah, it's very airy.
We got some tea from England, bro.
Really?
In it.
In it.
In it. Oh shit, it is empty.
It's empty?
Yeah.
That sucks. And what I like with space is, me personally, I like a space that is functional. So it doesn't have to be a big space, but it must be functional. And this is a big, big, big plus. So instead of having a door that you have to slide open back and forth, it's a sliding door. So that's really cool. It adds space. And the shower, ooh, it's really cute, as Judah said. So
Pop the shower on. Pop the shower on.
she said I should turn the shower. Oh, see, the shower is really nice because you have all these things here. The other shower that we were was whack. I did not like it.
It really was. Yeah.
It was leaking all about. But see, this is a full shower. Again, the full deal. The towel rack over there, which is great. Yeah, and I always like showers like these. They're usually not the easiest to clean because there's so many creases and crevices and stuff, you know, but I like the feel under my foot, like when I'm stepping on the different stones. It's kind of therapeutic. Basic what you call this thing, sink, but neat. Has a little cubby thing under there, which is good. And I like this. They have a little leopard thing going on, so there's a little jungle effect. And I love this, the split mirrors. For those who want to know the camera that I'm using, yeah, you finally get to see it personally. It's a Canon EOS M5. But the information of everything I use is in my description box. So if you want to know what editing software I use, it's not a secret. It's in the description box. You can see it for yourself. So the cameras and all that stuff, it's in there. So yeah. Oh, it opens 3 ways. That's dope. And then towels up there, and then yeah. That's the vibe.
Like, I'm actually physically like thinking about it. The reason why they always get the bigger rooms because we're always out for Dadine's birthday, so rightfully, yeah.
Yeah. It happens every single year, but I don't mind, as I said.
No, as in like rightfully, yeah.
Oh, for those who want to know, there's a fan there. Does it have AC? I probably doubt it. Yeah. Usually places like these what have like, they try to be natural. They are going to rely heavily on what you call the lighting. Is it lighting good enough? Yeah. They're gonna rely heavily on nature, pretty much. And when you try to have an Airbnb that's cost efficient, you don't want things like AC sometimes, because some persons don't use it well. You know, they turn the AC on and they go out, and then, you know, that's crazy. So if you do Airbnb and you go to a spot that has AC, please use it well, so that these owners can keep the prices at a good level, and you know, it makes it better for everybody else. But yeah, when I pick my Airbnbs, there are a few things that I look for, and the first thing I look for is the bathroom. Like, if the bathroom doesn't look a certain way, then yeah, especially if I'm with my girlfriend. If it's me by myself, I really don't give a, yeah, me personally. But even for myself, traveling alone, I normally want a decent enough bathroom. And then I like to go to places that are unique. So the last spot that we were at, the uniqueness that I liked was most of the view. I love the view, and I have a repellent. Going downstairs and stuff. Oh, one thing that Judah is complaining about right now is mosquitoes. I mean, the windows have mosquito nets on it, so that's not really a big deal. You can open your windows at nights and have the mosquito nets on, but of course, if there's some already in here, then you're pretty much, yeah. But that's the vibe I like here. She likes here as well, so that's good. And we're gonna be here for 2 nights. Yeah, that's the vibe. So here's the next thing that I look for in anywhere that I stay is plugs. Like if I'm staying at your spot and you don't have like a plug on either the left side or the right side or diamond level, if you have it on both, then you're winning with me. If you don't have a plug beside it, then you are not with the game, bro. Because like everybody has a phone, so that there is. Oh, man, I almost broke. Oh, that's 2 plugs, bro.
I was looking, like the first thing I did when we were at the other place, like I went to see which side of the bed had a plug. None. I was so
It was behind it though.
I was looking because I saw a lamp on one side, but the fact that I had to fight to, I was like, screw it.
There was one behind it, which is good.
I always try to get the side of the bed.
Oh, and there is a convenient safe here. Yes, that's the thing. When
no mosquito this giant in there.
that's the thing when you are a man, like you concede a lot to your girlfriend. Like you concede every. Oh my gosh, this is dope. I don't know if it was focused, guys, but there is a safe here, which is cool. Because a safe like this, apart from those who are watching the video now or who might stay here, like you will not know that this thing is here. I mean, once you take the key out, oh, come on, focus. Once you take the key out, you will not know that it's there.
Right, it does look like, oh, it's just a accent to everything.
Yeah, because I'm doing a room tour, I'm actually being focused on every single thing. So yeah, that's one thing that I look for. The plugs and a safe is an added bonus. I'm gonna try to see if I see anything else, but yeah, when I look for places, Airbnb especially, I'm looking for places that are affordable. My price line, if I'm a traveler, if I were you guys that were not Jamaican, the price line that I'm looking for is 50 and above. I find that when the place costs less than 50, certain things you're not getting in Jamaica. So once it costs 50 to like 100, then you're on that level of like better service or more uniqueness. So that's a vibe. But yeah. Alright, so I think this will just pretty much end our room tour here. For those people who just like the videos and like, you know, the fact that we go out there to experience these things firsthand and then give you guys the report for you to actually get a good Airbnb stay, then fantastic. What I'll do, I'll drop the Airbnb link for this place. I won't tell you the price because of course it fluctuates, so maybe if you come at a certain time of year it's cheaper, more expensive, I don't even know. But here, to give you the bottom line per night, it's gonna cost you probably like the lowest spectrum I would see 50 to probably the most 80 in the high season. It all depends. But yeah, that's the vibe. If you like the videos, please drop a like on it, I'd appreciate that, and share it with your friends, you know, that'd be awesome. And we'll catch you in the next video. Remember to see things, love, nature, and adaptation, and always remember,
keep believing.